We are in for a treat today by starting off here with a 14-ounce can of some sweetened condensed milk. I'm just placing that right into my saucepan here, easy peasy. Oh, this is going to be tasty. Right away, I'm gonna grab an 11-ounce bag of caramels. You better believe it, you guys. Throw in those suckers right in there and pairing that up with 4 tablespoons of butter. We are off to a fantastic start. Now, you know, of course, we need to be patient here and take a moment to fully combine these caramels along with the sweetened condensed milk and butter. You're gonna cook that on medium. It'll probably take, I don't know, maybe just even 2 minutes to melt those all down, and stick around because we are cruising right along here. Wow, look at that delicious caramel. Now we are gonna make it even better by throwing in some famous Rice Krispie treats. Now I have an enormous family size box here. You can just do a regular size box, that would be fine. And this is what I do. I just put in a little bit of Rice Krispies. I'm gonna mix it around how caramely you want it. The ratio of Rice Krispie to the caramel mixture is really your choice. I'm probably gonna end up putting at least, I don't know, 4 to 6 cups of cereal in here. Like I said, normally I have a regular size Rice Krispie box and it works out perfect. And then you're just gonna mix that all together so you just fully coat all of those Krispies and keep working it along till you get the consistency that you like, you guys. We're moving right along here. I can't wait to show you what's next. So we got some caramel Krispies going into our baking dish. Wow, there's a lot going on here. Let's see if I can do that. It's like really an upper body workout, stirring and then holding a pan and doing all this at one time. Geez, sometimes I think that we need to stop for the day and just applaud ourselves on the daily tasks that we take out as an individual and be proud of ourselves for that alone. What do you say? Okay, so we have all of that out and we're gonna spread it all over the bottom of this baking dish. Of course, just try to make it as even as possible, but it's not the end of the world, you guys. That sweetened condensed milk along with that caramel, I can already see it and feel it. It's gonna be the perfect texture. Oh, it's gonna be so great. Now I'm gonna lock it in here with my potato smasher. Just gonna push it down a little bit. If you wanna keep them more on the fluffy side, that's okay too. It's totally a preference, you guys. That's what's so great about it. We can change them up to our liking. So if you have any other ideas, share them with us in the comments. And wait, there's more. You better believe it. We have some tasty chocolate here. Now, you know I'm going with Ghirardelli, but you can totally choose your preference. No, they don't pay me for that. I just really love their chocolate. Look at the way this chocolate is just pouring right out of this bowl. We are gonna sink it into all of those crevices of those crispy treats. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so perfect. So I'm just gonna pour it down in the center so it just starts to really just disperse itself out to the side. Now, if you didn't want that much chocolate, you could also just use less chocolate. I'm using 2 packages of the Ghirardelli, which is 20 ounces. But if you just wanted to use a cup, it depends on how thick you want your chocolate layer here right on top. I, of course, am a chocoholic, so I don't want to be stingy in that space here. And let me grab the rest of that chocolate out now that I mention it, all out of that bowl there, so we can get it right over here in our little corner, our little lonely corner. Don't worry, corner, I got you. Okay, so we have this chocolate now layered in on with this caramel filling with those Rice Krispies mixed together. Fabulous. What are we calling these things, you guys? I don't know what to call these things. Caramel, chocolate, crispy bites? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Do you have any ideas? Okay, I'm gonna top mine with coarse sea salt. I know it's not everybody's, favorite, but you can choose. You can also change it up. Maybe you want to top it with some nuts. Maybe you even want to top it with some marshmallow. I don't know. Tell me what your ideas are in the comments. I think you could even add some pecans or something like that inside with the Krispies. That might be really good too. For now, I'm going to keep it just like this, a little simple, a little plain Jane, just the way I like it. I'm going to set it to the side and allow it to cool down because it is very warm, but stick around because I'm going to cut into these and show you how fabulous they really are. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. I'm checking out these layers here of all of that crispy treat with the caramel and the chocolate. I have been patiently waiting for this one. I'll tell you what, I cannot wait to dig into this. So right away here, I'm just gonna slice my knife and sliding really nicely. You guys, what is better than a little bit of caramel, some Rice Krispies? It is just going to be so smooth and creamy. I know it. The knife is just sliding through here perfectly. I know, I was like pretty impressed here. I've learned too, you got to cut a couple pieces at the same time, or, you know, before you pick out your piece, it helps better, right? I know you guys taught me that, so thank you for that. Let me see if I can pop this right out here. Oh, perfect, sliding right out. Bam, there we go. Look at that. It wasn't the cleanest exit, but it worked great. Look at all that chocolate. We have all of those.
Popped right out of there.
Just came right out. It's like it wants me to take a bite. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Absolutely perfect. It is just the right consistency. And I absolutely love it with the caramel and mixed with that sweetened condensed milk, just makes it a little bit softer. It's perfect. And then the chocolate with a little bit of that sea salt. Of course, you can throw anything else here and anything different you want on top. Personally, I wouldn't change a thing, but this is a rock star recipe right here, you guys. Let me know if you're gonna try it out at all and if you're gonna change anything up. Don't forget, the recipe will be linked in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.